Here's another iPhone 11 Pro Max, front and back. As you can see, it's just the glass broken. Touch functions, everything is working. So this is a cheaper option, if you wanna change glass, because normally like full screen is like too expensive. So this is like half the price. So we're gonna change the glass on it. We successfully removed the glass. This is the broken glass. This is the display. So we're gonna test the screen. As you can see, like these are OCA glue that needs to be removed in order to install new glass. Touch at this point is gonna be super slow because of the OCA glue. Our next step would be changing the back glass while we repair the screen. So these tapes are, I put it so that it doesn't affect the camera lens, doesn't laser the camera lens, just to be more on the safe side. So it's going to start laser off the broken pieces. So we're gonna remove the OCA glue, as you can see, slowly. So as you can see, it's clean from here. I still have to do this area. I'm going back to back, laser machine. Screen. So we're gonna put the new glass on the clean LCD. OLED. Screen is ready. Looks nice. As you can see, touch test. Nice and beautiful, working everywhere. Perfect. So here's the finished product.